Hey guys, my name's Alex and I'm from Estonia. I've always dreamed of making games. It's the main reason that I got into IT in the first place. And I'm currently working as a department lead, and I'm actually 8 years deep into web software development, but I still haven't released a single game yet.
Back in 2007, I was actively playing a game called RuneScape, and a classmate asked me, "Hey Alex, have you ever tried a RuneScape private server?" At the time, I didn't even know what a private server was. Got so curious, I decided to set up my own private server locally. They realized that I had to learn Java. Back then, I was coding with the OG Notepad without any syntax highlighting, guided only by tutorials from the New Boston channel. University years, I chose game development as my bachelor's degree final project. For this project, I decided to try out Unity, and the game became a strange mix of a platformer, Spyro the Dragon, and medieval. After that, I tried making an endless runner with a pug, but that didn't go far. Now it's 2025. I work on countless web development projects, but game development has always stayed on my mind. I'm going to become a game developer. Subscribe to follow along on this journey.